Hey guys, so I'm basically starting this new channel. This is going to be my first video, and I've kind of got back into Lego recently, pardon the wobbly table, and I just thought I'd make some videos on my, things that I've made, my MOCs or my personal creations that I made. And today I'm going to bring you this one I've made a while ago that I kind of thought was pretty cool. This is a Republic light gunship, and basically it's just a smaller, faster, lighter gunship than the regular ones. It can hold about, I don't know, 5 or 6 Lego figures. So basically kind of like a squad in the troop compartment here. And it has these folding doors on both sides. And also, if you don't want to put people in there, you can use it as kind of a transport. Transport kind of small things. It's crewed by 2 people, a pilot, which goes in this cockpit. Nothing too fancy. And the gunner, which goes in this cockpit. Trying to show you his control panel there. Okay, so this thing is armed with 2 movable laser cannons that can pivot all the way out to here. Has 2 rocket launchers, and here's the rockets right here. That's about it really for this. So thank you for watching. Appreciate the time. Have a good day, guys.